Chicago, Illinois, Drainlayer Bond. What is the Chicago, IL, Drainlayer Bond? The Chicago, IL $50,000, Drainlayer Bond, is a surety bond required by the City of Chicago for professionals engaged in the installation, repair, or maintenance of drainage systems. This bond serves as a financial guarantee that the drainlayer will comply with all relevant municipal codes and regulations. In essence, it is a promise that the work performed will meet the city's standards and that any claims of negligence or failure will be addressed promptly. Purpose and importance. The primary purpose of the Drainlayer Bond is to protect the public and the city from potential financial loss due to improper or substandard work. If a drainlayer fails to meet the required standards, leading to damages or non-compliance with city regulations, the bond provides a mechanism for compensation. This financial assurance helps maintain high standards within the industry and provides peace of mind for property owners and the city alike. Claims and enforcement. If a drainlayer fails to meet the required standards, a claim can be made against the bond. The surety company will investigate the claim, and if it is found to be valid, they will provide compensation up to the bond amount. The drainlayer is then required to repay the surety company for the amount paid out. This process ensures that affected parties are compensated for any losses incurred due to the drainlayer's failure to perform adequately. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.